So Greg, just tell us what your thoughts were on the whole installation process.
2 days, all completely done, and just a few extra hours on connecting all the electricals up to the inverter and the mains inside the building. So it was really simple. Just need to make sure that the installers had good access to, the site and the roof, and the process was just really smooth and easy and didn't interrupt our business at all.
First time we've used Solpod and the installation was quick and easy. Recommend it. If we were to do big jobs in the future of over 200 kilowatts, we definitely recommend Solpod.
And what are you looking forward to in the future with having such a system like this?
Oh well, the cost savings, over time, we know the cost savings are going to be fantastic, and given what we've been through with COVID lately, but also given the way the energy market and the power situation is around Australia at the moment, that any savings that we can do will make a huge difference to the viability of our business. So we're really looking forward to that, and we know it's going to produce really a lot of really good savings for us.